Question 16, Electrical Engineering, GATE 2021. In the given circuit, the value of Vi to be 0, the value of beta should be dash. The answer should be rounded off to 2 decimal places. For a detailed lecture on Kirchhoff's voltage and current laws, please refer the NPTEL video Lecture 3 KVL, KICL and Network Analysis by Professor S.C. Datta Roy, IIT Delhi. In order to solve this problem, we need to understand the basic concepts of Kirchhoff's voltage and current law. According to Kirchhoff's current law, the algebraic sum of all the currents entering and exiting a node must be equal to 0. So consider that you have a node with 3 incoming pathways. I1 is incoming, I2 is incoming, and I3 is incoming. You have 2 paths where current is exiting from this node. I4 is exiting, and then you have this current I5 that is exiting from this node. So according to Kirchhoff's laws, the current I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to I4 plus I5. According to Kirchhoff's current law, we are going to make use of this concept in order to solve this problem. This is the circuit that is given to us. The voltage at this node is labeled as Vx and the voltage at this node is labeled as Vy. We are asked to find out the value of beta for which the nodal voltage Vy equals 0. We are going to apply Kirchhoff's current law and put down the equations for both of the loops, and then we will substitute Vi as 0 and then find out beta. Let me label this node as X and this node as Y. At node X, we are going to apply Kirchhoff's current law. So, 6 minus Vx divided by 1 ohm is the incoming current considered, and there are 2 outgoing currents. One is this current and the other one is this current. This current is considered to be incoming current. Therefore, the sum of outgoing currents is Vx minus Vy divided by 2 plus Vx divided by 4. Similarly, we can apply Kirchhoff's current law at node Y. So if we do that, we will get 2 ampere is the incoming current and there is another incoming current Vx minus Vi divided by 2. So 2 plus Vx minus Vy divided by 2 is equal to Vy minus beta Vx divided by 3. We can assume the current's direction to be in either ways. You can consider that the current is incoming here or the current is outgoing from this path as per your convenience, but we need to put the equations accordingly. Having a principle that the current is flowing from a node with higher potential to a node with lower potential, we need to make use of this concept and we have to draw down this equation. If I am considering that the current is coming from X to Y, then the currents will be Vx or the potential at X minus the potential at Y divided by 2. So we have applied this and jotted down the equations of node X and Y by applying Kirchhoff's current law. Let's simplify this. So this implies 24 minus 4Vx is equal to 2Vx minus 2Vy plus Vx. So this implies 24 is equal to 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 7. 7Vx minus 2Vy. So this is the nodal equation for the node X. At the node Y, this implies that 4 plus Vx minus Vy divided by 2 equals Vy minus beta times Vx divided by 3. So this implies that 4 plus Vx minus Vy times 3 is 2 times Vy minus beta Vx. So on simplifying this further, we will be getting 12 plus 3Vx minus 3Vy is equal to 2Vy minus 2 beta Vx. We have to find out the value of beta when the value of Vy is 0. So let's substitute Vy is equal to 0 in the nodal equations of node x as well as y. When doing it for node x, we get 24 is equal to 7Vx. So therefore, Vx will be 24 divided by 7. So we can apply Vy is equal to 0 and we can reframe this equation. So 12 will be minus Vx times 3 plus 2 beta. This is the equation of y when Vy is given as 0. We know the value of Vx. So let's substitute that. So 12 will be minus 24 by 7 times 3 plus 2 beta. So this implies, minus 12 into 7 by 24 minus 3 divided by 2 will be beta. So the value of beta will be minus 3.25. Let's quickly summarize this. This is actually an easier problem. In this circuit, we are given that the value of Vy is 0 and we need to find out the value of beta for that to happen. So we applied Kirchhoff's current law at both the nodes. We formed equations and then substituted for Vy to be 0 in both of them and then found out beta to be minus 3.25. So in the given circuit, the value of Vy to be 0, the value of beta should be minus 3.25.